Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on all my future content. So in this video, I'm going to be calculating my percentages for deadlifts for week 11. So the goal for week 11 is to deadlift 103.7% of my 1 rep max for 2 reps, and I've rounded the 103.7 to 104, so I'm going to calculate 104% of my 1 rep max for 2 reps. 352 is what I'm using as my working 1 rep max, because I hit 352 pounds for 2 reps in my last deadlift workout, so that's going to be my working 1 rep max for today. So I have to calculate and find 104% of 352. This is how I would write 104% as a decimal. So 104% is equal to 1 4/100ths. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both of these numbers as if I was multiplying whole numbers, and then at the very end I'm going to move the decimal over. All right. So 352 times 104. So start out in the ones place. I'm going to multiply both digits in the ones place. 2 times 4 equals 8. Do not need to regroup there, because whenever our product is less than 10, regrouping is not needed. 5 times 4 equals 20. So for the tens place, I am going to need to regroup. 5 times 4 equals 20, so the 0 and 20 goes here. And I'm going to carry over the 2. 3 times 4 equals 12, plus 2 equals 14. I'm going to put a 0 in the ones place now. So now I have to multiply the 3 top digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. 2 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 0 also equals 0. So anything times 0 is going to be equal to 0. So really, I could leave this here and then just be adding 3 numbers together. But if something is equal to 0, we don't really even need to put the zeros in there. So I'm just going to erase this here. Final step, we have to multiply the number on the top, the 3 digits on top, times the bottom digit in the hundreds place. So 2 times 1 equals 2. Well, first off, hang on. First off, I have to put a 0 in the ones and tens place, because we already multiplied everything in the ones and tens place. So now I'm going to multiply the 3 top digits times the bottom digit in the ones place. 2 times 1 equals 2. 5 times 1 equals 5. 3 times 1 equals 3. Eight plus 0 equals 8. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. And 0 plus 3 equals 3. So now this would be our final answer if we were just multiplying whole numbers. But as I said at the beginning of the video, the final step is moving the decimal place over 2 places. So right now the number, with the decimal point being behind all of the digits, right now the number would be 36,608. But if I move the decimal point over 1 place, it becomes 3,660.8. If I move it over 2 places, it becomes 366 and 8/100ths. 366.08, or another way to say it is 366 and 8/100ths. So that'll be the goal for today. to be able to deadlift 366 and 800 pounds. Now, obviously, with the kilo plates, I'm not going to be able to get that exact amount of weight on the bar, so I want to get as close to 366 pounds as possible. So that would mean either hitting 363 pounds for 2 reps or 369 pounds for 2 reps, because those are the two closest numbers I can get to 366. So gonna try to lift with good technique. Quality technique's what's most important, and I want to get as close to this number as possible. So if I'm able to hit 363 pounds today for 2 reps on a deadlift, I'll be happy. If I'm able to get 369, I'll be extremely happy. But even if I hit 363, I'll feel good about that. So that is my goal for deadlifts for week 11. Be able to lift 363 pounds for 2 reps. Again, 366 is the exact number, but with the kilo plates, 363 is probably as close as I can get to that. So if I hit either 363 or 369 for 2 reps, I'll be very, very happy. But that is my workout for today. Those are my calculations. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.